This wig is their Hope Synthetic Mono Topper. This is in the color Creamy Blonde. It's the inside. There's the lace in the front. You'll have to cut that lace off. That is what it's looking like now. So now I'm just going to part my hair to match up with the topper. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of me putting it how I like it. I haven't applied dry shampoo yet, so I will do that to take out some of the shine just to make it look more natural. But I absolutely love this. I feel like I said in my hair tutorial, I have very fine thin hair, so I feel like for women who do have fine thin hair, this is just a great option because it's really quick. You just throw it on and clip it in, and it's easy. The clips are just, you just pop them right on and then you're done. You're ready to go. And I am obsessed. I absolutely love this. This is gonna be a definitely regular use for me because I honestly don't even wear my hair down half the time just because it's so thin, and I feel like this is just gonna make me feel more confident. Yeah, fine thin hair girls, get you a topper. These are great. But we go full 360. So good. I thought I would do maybe some cute little quick hair ideas with this, so I'm just gonna pull it like half back. Go get you a UniWig topper because look at this hair. What's that? Oh, you like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just got it. UniWigs.